Amsoil, legendary products by a company devoted to protecting your engine. To celebrate 4 decades of innovation, one lucky fan will be going home in this 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1.
Alright, so we did try to start the Mustang, ran into some issues as usual. No fuel, so we ordered a fuel pump, so we're putting it in right now, and hopefully we can get fired up this afternoon here.
Go ahead.
First shakedown cruise, we'll see how it goes. Fire extinguishers on hand, as usual. Hopefully we don't need them. So right now we're just driving it to see what is wrong with it before we pull the engine out of here. We want to know how well the transmission's shifting, how the rear end's doing, if it makes any noises, brakes, any kind of things like that. So while we have the engine out, we can address all those issues and hopefully not have any surprises.
Follow the build on our Amsoil Inc. Facebook page and register to win at amsoil.com/musclecar. Amsoil, devoted to protection since 1972.